once again, I'm back at Mhelbeth's table. Today, I will show you another healthy recipe that I'm sure you and your family will love and enjoy. Before I start, I would really like to thank all my subscribers. My heart is really overwhelmed. Even though I don't really know you personally, guys, but still you give your support. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Alright, I'm so excited today. You know what we're gonna cook today is calamares. These calamares, they call it calamari in Italy, but this was originated in Mediterranean. So, don't you know that squid is one of the healthiest seafood that we have? Like, it's full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, copper, which fights and prevents anemia. So guys, come on, let's eat calamares, okay? Follow me while I'm doing my recipe. Here are the ingredients. Okay, we start. I wash my hands clean, right? So I have here ½ kilo of pusit. We will cut this into 1/2 inch. Make sure na i-dry up natin yung ating pusit para mas masarap siya. Okay, we'll put this on the bowl. Next, tip number 1, so that your calamares will be soft inside and crunchy outside. You have to marinate it with ½ cup of milk. Leave it for about 30 minutes. Okay, while waiting for the squid to be marinated for about 30 minutes, let's do our breading. I have here ½ cup of all-purpose flour and ½ cup of cornstarch. Mix together. And a teaspoon of salt. Put it in. A teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of paprika. Make sure to mix your breading so para masarap yung ating calamares. Okay, this is good enough. And my squid is already been marinated for 13 minutes. Alright guys, I'm so excited. We have to do this now. I have here the flour mixture. I beat 2 eggs. And I have here a breadcrumbs. I'll put about 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese and garlic powder 2 teaspoons. Wow, smells so good. Mix together also. Okay, so this is what we do. First is the breading. Second is the egg. And last for the breadcrumbs. I have here my marinated squid. I put it in the flour. Tip number 2, you have to use your hands and squeeze it so that when you fry this or bake it, it will be really crunchy. Just make sure, wash your hands. One more. Press the flour into the squid. Then next, you'll put this on the egg. There you go. And last on the breadcrumbs. And put this aside. It will be look like this. Okay, so I have to finish up everything and I will show you guys later. So, eto na guys. I'm done with this breading. So, tip number 3. You have to watch when you bake it for 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so that your calamares will be soft and not rubbery. Okay, so put this in the oven. So here is the most popular way of cooking your calamares. You will deep fry it into this hot oil. Tip number 4. To make sure that your oil is hot, you have to dip a chopstick, and if you see that it's bubbling up there, it's ready. Okay, so we put the squid in. Don't overcrowd it. Make sure guys, just wait for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, yes. Until it's brown. So guys, ito yung ating prinito. This is the one we fried and this is the one we baked. So, it's up to you kung ano ang gusto nyo, kung ano yung pipiliin ng ways ng pagluluto. Okay? It's the same thing. Crunchy, and tasty. Here it is guys, my deep fried and baked calamares served with sweet chili Thai sauce. This is really good to pair with Caesar salad, which I'm gonna make it later to make it as a meal. Please watch for my videos. And to those who did not yet subscribe in my channel, please do so. Click on the notification button as well, so you will always be notified every time I'm gonna post a video on my channel. Thank you so much and enjoy your calamares!